Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and gear to help you make informed choices. Today, we have an exciting product to review. It's the best keyboard piano currently available in the market, the SFESGRER 61-key electric piano keyboard. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, this keyboard promises to deliver a fantastic musical experience. Let's jump right into the features that make this keyboard stand out. First off, it's built with high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring durability without compromising on safety or aesthetics. The keyboard features 61 touch-sensitive light-up keys, perfect for learning and mastering piano techniques. These keys not only provide a traditional piano feel but also enhance the learning process with their interactive light-up feature. When it comes to sound quality, the SFESGRER keyboard doesn't disappoint. It boasts a German premium custom chip and utilizes advanced multi-layer sampling technology. This means you get clear, transparent sound through its built-in dual stereo speakers. Whether you're playing in a quiet room or performing for a small audience. In terms of performance, this keyboard offers a wide range of musical possibilities. It comes loaded with 200 tones, 200 rhythms, and 60 demo songs, catering to various musical genres and styles. Additionally, you can explore 8 percussion instruments and drum kits to add depth to your compositions or practice sessions. One of the standout features is its versatility in power options. You can either plug it into a power adapter or use batteries, making it ideal for both home use and travel. It's lightweight and portable, so you can take your music with you wherever you go. Included in the package are essential accessories like a sturdy stand, a music stand, a microphone for vocal accompaniment, and even a comfortable bench for extended playing sessions. These additions make it a comprehensive package for beginners and professionals alike. To wrap it up, the SFESGRER 61-key electric piano keyboard is truly a standout product in its category. Whether you're just starting your musical journey or looking to upgrade your current setup, its combination of quality construction, impressive sound capabilities, and thoughtful design features make it a top contender. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this keyboard or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring, keep playing, and keep making music. This is Product Critique, signing off.